Sessions on Star FM. Sounding good all the time.
Legendary music. Mafia night and again and again.
What is your name again? Star FM Breakfast Club.
Dressing on the toshora water akupasa kawivi Victoria usasiye mataka chingo kusekerera gara washisiba yeah saunononga ita saunononga mika saunononga ita saunononga yeah pata chapa uchi waina yeah pata chapa uchi waina yeah the spoken in my lips I go are pinky baby girl never give ipsy my better say believe me couldn't leave like a scoop I have the simbi don't believe I could love them selfie, na treatment yako daily. Pa una smile wa buda matipu kufesi. Uneka sexiness beauty. Ndiwainire. Oya potuza nani pegu za bunduke. Waina ndi pressure se usa sirire. Baga ex-girlfriend yangu ikumbuke. Ino ndise unononga kana kutifongo. Asindeva nutuche tegote bogo. Saso famba vili tambira vanu obo. Ukangoda roki yao, na wari pasopo. Rambo chidaro, this girl Rambo chidaro. Why not something for Tishanaro? Atiti manonyara pa uya kumafaro. Saunononga, ita saunononga mika. Saunononga, ita saunononga, girl. Bada bache chapa uchi waina, girl. Bada bache chapa uchi waina, girl. Dona kone my lips go ari pinky, baby girl. Nema ke vipsi, ma pero sare believe kutindini. Ndaka scoop yevi. Nda believe kutilavu yangu iri safe. Na treatment yako daily. Pa unu smile wa buda matimbu kufesi. Uneka sexiness beauty.
Hey, I wanna musanzu kwendichipinda ndichifemene gama dzangu nana kuto bata pa chest ndichilazeko. Guspy Warrior in studio. How are you doing?
I'm alright.
You look amazing.
Thank you so
You
much.
look amazing.
Ayo,
Guspy. Unoziya pane pekuti uno celebrity unofamba studio utaza kuti ndi Guspy. Anfunga ndo anokutadza. Vana vakutadze. Mudiwa.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to the breakfast sessions. If you were not in studio right now, ungadai uchitena. Izezi.
Right now, ngadenda studio. Pamwe not yeba radio.
But muri mu studio. Munofema music baba.
Ayo music in and out.
No.
Pesipa tangwandra mukano imanzi yegega.
No, magaipa. He is our breakfast sessions, live breakfast sessions, on Star FM, sounding good all the time, and Guspy Warrior in studio. So we've got new music.
Yeah.
Trukufara shedune na uye saunononga. Bata machesta ba uchwainachi. But we've got new music, and that's what we want to launch on the breakfast sessions. Let's talk about it.
Yeah, so I released an EP called It Is What It Is. It's doing well. So far, I released one video for our lead single, the Waito.
Okay.
So people should go on YouTube and see what I want.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to sample the songs and listen, we're going to get reactions on our WhatsApp. So we're going to start Nyenge tukutangane song ibi. Tishon launch up a live sessions.
Oh, so the first song is called Ehe.
Okay, let's go. Run it, Big King. His name is Guspy Warrior. He's live in studio. Mafia 19 in the building.
19 again. Azirenda izida asinanga ndisina choice isewe upenyu unosiana pandai kumbira ndakandivarira panze agamba mafuratira nasindiri mamura muroti andina embe makutindo kunyadzisa azvibude aiwa zvenyu ndimi muri kusuka munere kuwaira pasi nere kuzofuka isu tiri kukwesera tiri munjuka kuti tichapepuka ameno zimwe kuda pankasara kumba uko kakaguta kubadara rendi imwe yaenda kumusha mutsanyo nemina mato tiri kupusa apasa yezobuda nona mataku namwari vandipomo kondisuve kushurwa vae kunge krango kurimira vamwe kwedu kusina chiriko kushandiswa semombe iri pajoko azvireve ndaizvida asi ndanga ndisina choisi isewe upenyu unosiyana pandaikumbira makandibharira panze mukava mafuratira nasi ndiri mumuroti handina hembe makuti ndokunyadzisa azvibude zvakaomerawo munhu wese asi kwevamwe zvakanyanyisa ukabuda ukamunzvimbo dzese unotiona tiri kuvhika asi zvakaoma pana chiri kubatika zvakaenda pakoma iye nditi mauthi rume rinotokuma musatiseke imimi ndona mataku namwari vandipomo kondisuve kushurwa vae kunge krango kurimira vamwe kwedu kusina chiriko kushandiswa semombe iri pajoko azvireve ndaizvida asi ndanga ndisina choisi isewe upenyu unosiyana pandaikumbira makandibharira panze mukava mafuratira nasi ndiri mumurodi andina hembe makuti ndokunyadzisa azvibude muchisasa
Guspy. Atisingova zvakawanda here. Atisikunyanya here. So I'm getting messages like 5 more Jagapedza, and I'm also getting messages like Mangoma a Gaspari crisp.
Oh, thank you so much.
How do you define your sound? Because I'm not going to say Mangoma Gaspari crisp.
I don't think Guspy is a sound. Guspy is just a musician who does almost everything possible.
Hey. Tomanya nacho.
Yeah, but I represent dance and reggae to the fullest.
Eish.
And because we are Africans, we also represent the African sound.
Kwamangu ndo pinda here. Mina mbudisam. Ayo, mensen. And Guspy, I go over 9 out of 10. Guspy, my one. Yeah. So you dropped that one for the reggae massives, and what's the next song? What's the next song that we are launching exclusively on the hottest breakfast club in the land? No doubt.
Okay, so this one is called Strong and Firm.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Mafia 19 in the building.
God bless me. Warrior, born ready, yes, I'm born ready. I'm a shooting star, but I move steady. One in a lifetime, they won't have it. Sabotage, but just set it. Like a fountain, blessings keep dripping slowly and stop speeding. Trust me now. Just keep working and praying, keep hustling, get many paydays. Because I come from the gutters where everything tough and nada. Potato shika pa inya shasa say. You have to know I'm strong and firm. Like a simba, I'm strong and firm. Them trying to call out my name. Over the years, sorry. I'm strong and firm. Like a simba, I'm strong and firm. Them trying to call out my name. Over the years I remain the same. Yeah, God bless me over and over and over and over. Yeah, God know I'm strong and firm. God know I'm strong and firm. God bless me over and over and over and over. Yeah, God know I'm strong and firm. God know I'm strong and firm. Yeah. Ningine bot fan katrikas Gavasiya zitarangu ritori trespass Bahudze kutavasi vana Jesus Ativa kwate anna baba Judas Vanema demons very evil Them wish that for me Kutarongar wenda kunorumbera ini Daundere panguri katinikisi Because I come from the gutters Where everything tough and nada Potato shika apa inya Sasa say You have to know I'm strong and firm I'm strong and firm. Them try to call out my name. Over the years I remain the same. Yeah, I'm strong and firm. I'm strong and firm. Them try to call out my name. Over the years I remain the same. Yeah, God bless me over and over and over and over. Yeah, I know I'm strong and firm. I know I'm Armstrong FM. God bless me over and over and over and over. Armstrong FM.
Guspy Warrior.
Blessings.
Guspy Warrior.
Blessings.
Guspy Warrior. Aiwa. I'm getting messages like "Jah bless me over and over." Anzurumombe.
God bless us over and over. So we have to give thanks always.
Indeed. We did tell you dropping this one for the reggae masters. Sounds like father, like son. Shino Pisage, 8 out of 10.
Blessings.
And we're getting messages like true talent here. Anzi DJ, run it back one more time. Aiwa maya. Chakuza kunoma. Iminiga shamagu ndamagu manya ku YouTube anditira. Mononzwa. Vanoma wana kupwa masongs that truku launch up and
It's everywhere, out there everywhere. Spotify, Amazon. Yes, you know one's platform in music.
Iripo my song said.
It is what it is. It's the EP.
What's the name of the EP, by the way?
It is what it is.
It is what it is. And Guspy is our Zimbabwean cartel. Urumombe. International staff, Guspy Warrior on live sessions on the Breakfast Club. And song number 3. Gadmanye Nacho. Inonzichi, the next song.
Is called $1 Million.
Okay.
Yeah, for the
Run it. Run it, me king.
All I know. Yeah, $1 million. So this one is for the money makers. Yeah, man, it's Friday, but we have to make money every day. Make every day a payday.
Guspy Warrior on live sessions.
Could I have more headphones, please? $1 million. Me want reach like Levi Idana. Me want reach like Jayma Pendana. $1 million. Me want make more money, more paper. Me want reach like Jayma Pendana. Taka no riska, kana kuzichka. Taka no vura tu, mbe mapachka. Ayeve witchcraft, masina mbachka. Tinovalende sane dumbu sema tachka. Vaka, mecha, vaka no, kecha. Manjani $1 million ndaka kesha.
Bata number. Aiwa. Atingo kwanza kuri manya number. Turu manya say.
Could I have more instrumental, please? More instrumental.
Let's go.
Oh, yo.
Guspy Warrior.
$1 million. Me want reach like Levi Idana. Me want reach like Jayma Pendana. $1 million. Me want make more money, more paper. Me want reach like Dona. Kana riska, kana kuzichka. Taka no vura tu, mbe mapachka. Ayeve witchcraft, vasina mbachka. Tinovalende sane dumbu sema tachka. Vaka, mecha, vaka no, kecha. Manjini $1 million ndaka kesha. Hot stepper, dotsika pano pisa. Ndabata magetsi kupura jostroka. Ndiriro, yes ndiriro. I'm gonna make $1 million. All of them are gonna salute me. 6 numbers in a bank. None of them can fool me. You say $1 million. Me want make more money, more paper. Me want reach like Jayma Pendana. $1 million. Me want make more money, more paper. Me want us pan you, me can low key. Me want us pan you, me can low key. Poop on the roof like a king. Imagine the queen when she spin. Suffer long time by me. Man a champ on me neck, you see the Rolex bling. I think that I'm better the butter. Nyange I love so. High risk, I return like a god panna. Akuna kusiri kufa better tino shava. High risk, I return like a god panna. 19 a star and pan it again. $1 million. Me want reach like Levi Idana. Me want reach like
Mujama Gatawa.
Oh, yo.
Anzi $1 million 10 over 10 minus nothing. Aniga, it's everything.
Four. Yeah, new music. Everything.
But mira iwe tichingo tarapa papa na remember we are not give me the pay.
Yo, Master H. Big up.
Kuchicha kuzoitika pai.
Last time I tried to explain, it didn't come out well, so this time I'm scared, man, to say out how I feel about it. But one thing I have to say is big up Master H anyway you there. Yeah, don't get confused by the media. Yeah. Sometimes the message is sent the wrong way. Yeah. And sometimes it bruises our feelings and our emotions. But this is one youth I'm really proud of, and I said it to him. in his ears before the media and the news and the radio.
Yeah.
So he knows.
No, you know what?
I'm just affirming.
No. Regarding Botana EP, Anzi, it is what it is. Anzi arungurwa mwana wamfundisi unyatsonzwa kuti ngoma racho rine zodzo. Ngoma rine zodzo. Rakazodzwa. You know what? It's an EP. It's titled "It Is What It Is."
It is what it is.
It is like laughing. It's like ngoma rine zodzo. Mujamanga Nsawa, and a lot of messages and love for you on our WhatsApp. Anzi, is it true that Guspy Warrior is retiring from music after this EP?
No, it's not true.
So
there's a song called Goodbye My Friends on this EP.
Okay.
So people thought maybe I'm leaving. But I can't leave my DNA unless I'm dead.
Uchendo.
It's in me.
I'm studio almost. This is really right. Call the fire department. I know peace. I'm studio. Guspy Warrior, listen. Thank you so much. EP matitinoruana copy nyato titsanangurirai.
So I'm gonna YouTube mukati Guspy Warrior music. Makwana EP raganzi It Is What It Is. Kana muri pa Spotify same thing. Kana muri pa Deezer, wherever you listen music from. You have the music there. Blessings,
me king. Thank you so much. And I'm proud of Mafia 19. That was Breakfast Live Sessions. And thank you so much for choosing Star FM sounding good all the time. It's a fire ting-a-ling-a-ling.
The Breakfast Club Live Sessions on Star